America. That's all I'm gonna say when it comes to the immigration issue that's going on now. My name is Megan Truick, and I am the Estate Planning, Probate, and Guardianship Director here with the Law Office of Bryan Fagan. We're in Houston, Texas. So when it comes to the immigration issue, the issue of deportation, and you name it, we are in the middle of it. And as a family law firm, we also see the impact on families and what it actually means when a loved one, a parent, a custodial parent gets deported. So if you're a custodial parent and you have a child that's a citizen, and perchance you end up on the wrong side of an ICE agent and you get detained and deported, what's going to happen to your citizen child? If your child is a minor, then of course you know that one of two things is going to happen. You're going to have CPS who may step in, or God forbid, you hopefully have somebody who you have designated as the guardian of your child so that they can step up for you. So as someone who may be undocumented, what can you do for your citizen child right now? What can you put in place to make sure that if anything happens to you, if for whatever reason you don't make it home today, who will pick up your kids from school? Who will take them to school in the morning? Who will make sure that CPS doesn't get called if something should happen to you? And believe me, you can hear from my accent, you're speaking to somebody who empathizes and can seriously understand what you're going through. First of all, if you know that you don't have documentation, and even if you may think that the chances of you getting deported is remote, please plan for the what if, worst case scenario. What should you do? Well, first of all, there are many things that you can do. For instance, you can do a power of attorney, giving someone the right to, one, pick up your children from school if you can't. Two, to make sure that they can get custody of your children, have your children, so that if you choose that they get sent to whatever country you were deported to, or you name it, that they can do that. So a financial power of attorney that gives that person that right. You can do designation of guardians. The designation of guardian does the exact same thing that the power of attorney does, but it says, okay, if something should happen to me, this is the person that I want to be the guardian of my child. What that does, it gives that person standing so that they can get a SAPSER case, a suit affecting parent-child relationship, so that they can get custody of your child, they can register them for school, they can do whatever needs to be done. Thirdly, you may be thinking, okay, just about my child that's going to be here, but what about your assets? What about your rent? What about your bank account? What about your car? All those things, you need to have powers of attorney that could be springing, meaning that it would come into play if you become deported, or just immediate. So make sure that that's a trusted family or friend, so that if anything happens, that person can go get that power of attorney, go to the bank, get those assets, send it to you wherever. Because I know people who get deported to places like Jamaica, and they have everything left in New York, or they have everything left in Florida, and they can't touch it. If you had a power of attorney, that person can do those things for you, close those bank accounts, terminate your lease, move your car, sell your car, do whatever you need to do. I hope that helps. And if you want to talk to someone here at the Law Office of Bryan Fagan, we're here for you. You can find us at www.bryan, B-R-Y-A-N, Fagan, F-A-G-A-N.com. Thank you. Hello, thank you for watching our video. And because you made it to the end of that video, we're offering you our new estate planning handbook. This is a wonderful tool, and I'm sure you like it. Go ahead, download the link, and let's get learning together.